নমস্কাৰ প্ৰিয় বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল আপোনালোক সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ আমাৰ ইউটিউব চেনেল আসাম ডেইলিলৈ। আজি আমি APSC 2016 GS পেপাৰখন ডিছকাছ কৰিম। আমি ইতিমধ্যে APSC 2018 পেপাৰ ডিছকাছ কৰি আহিছোঁ। আপোনালোকে এই ভিডিঅ'টোৰ ডেছক্ৰিপশ্যনত থকা লিংকটোত গৈ চাব পাৰিব। আহক পলম নকৰি ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। The first question is, who is the founder of the Southeast Asia Ramayana Research Center? And the correct answer is option B, late Dr. Mamoni Roysam Goswami. Next question number 2, who is the recipient of Vishwaratna Dr. Bhupen Hazarika International Solidarity Award 2015? And the correct answer is option D, Adur Gopal Krishna. Next question number 3, who is the first Assamese woman to be awarded Sangeet Natak Academy Award? Sangeet Natak Academy বঁটা প্ৰাপ্ত প্ৰথমগৰাকী মহিলা অসমীয়া কোন? And the correct answer is option C, Protima Pande Borua. Next question number 4, in which division of British Indian Army Mangal Pandey was inducted as a soldier? And the correct answer is option A, 34th Bengal Native Infantry. Then next question number 5, India's average annual growth rate of population during 2001 to 2011 was? And the correct answer is option A, 1.64%. Next question number 6, in which sector maximum plan allocation and priorities were given in the 12 5-year plan of Assam? And the correct answer is option D, irrigation and flood control. Next question number 7, the contribution of agriculture in India's GDP is? And the correct answer is option A, 14%. Next question number 8, the WTO অর্থাৎ World Trade Organization was founded in 1995 as the successor organization to the? And the correct answer is option D, GATT. আগতে WTO GATT বুলি জনা গৈছিল আৰু 1995 পৰা ইয়াক WTO বুলি জনা যায়। The next question number 9, during the freedom struggle Aruna Asaf Ali was a major women organization of underground activities in? And the correct answer is option D, Quit India Movement. আৰু Quit India Movement কোন চনত ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈছিল? 1942 চনত ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈছিল। Next question number 10, the slogan Inqilab Zindabad was first raised by? And the correct answer is option D, Bhagat Singh. Next question number 11, after which incident Mahatma Gandhi had called non-cooperation movement as his Himalayan blunder? And the correct answer is option B, Sori Sora incident. Sori Sora ঘটনাটোৰ পিছত মহাত্মা গান্ধীয়ে অসহযোগ আন্দোলন উঠাই লৈছিল। Next question number 12, who among the following organized a march on Tanjore coast to break the salt law in April 1990? And the correct answer is option D, C, Rajagopalachari. Next question number 13, who was called as the mother of the Indian Revolution? And the correct answer is option D, Bhikaji Cama. Next question number 14, in the individual Satyagraha Vinoba Bhave was chosen as the first Satyagrahi. Who was the second? And the correct answer is option C, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question number 15, who is considered the founder of Gupta Empire? Gupta সাম্ৰাজ্য প্ৰতিষ্ঠাপক কোন আছিল? And the correct answer is option D, Sririgupta. Next question number 16, the first census was conducted at the time of? ভাৰতত প্ৰথমবাৰৰ বাবে লোকপিয়ল কাৰ দিনত কৰা হৈছিল? এই কুৱেশ্যনটো অলপ কনফিউজন হয়। ইনে একচুৱেলি এনচাৰটো হ'ব লাগে লৰ্ড মেয়, কিন্তু যিহেতু অপশ্যনটোত নাই গতিকে আপোনালোকে এই কুৱেশ্যনটো ভালকৈ চাই ল'ব। ইনে এনচাৰটো হ'ব লাগে লৰ্ড মেয়ৰ দিনত ভাৰতত প্ৰথমবাৰৰ বাবে চেঞ্চাছ কৰা হৈছিল। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 17, there are only known examples of cave paintings of the Gupta period in ancient India. One of these is the painting of Ajanta caves. Where is the other surviving example of Gupta painting? And the correct answer is option B, Bagh caves. Next question number 18. Which one of the following Gupta king had to face the first Huna invasion? And the correct answer is option D, Kumar Gupta first. Next question number 19. Who among the following anticipated Newton's by declaring that all things gravitate to the earth? And the correct answer is option D, Brahmagupta. Next question number 20. The quorum of the parliament is fixed at, and the correct answer is option A, 1/10 of the membership of the house. 1/10. Next question number 21. Which one of the following industries is known as sunrise industry? It is a very important question. The correct answer is option C, information technology. অৰ্থাৎ IT যিখিনি কোম্পানী আছে সেইবিলাকক এই ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰিটোক সানৰাইজ ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰি বুলিও কোৱা হয়। Next question number 22. How many satellites were launched by Indian Space Research Organization to create history on February 15, 2017? And the correct answer is option D, 104 satellites. পিছত এই ৰেকৰ্ডটো এলন মাস্কৰ SpaceX নামৰ স্পেচ এজেঞ্চিটোৱে ব্ৰেক কৰিছে ৰেকৰ্ডটো, আৰু তেওঁলোকে এটা ৰকেটৰ পৰা 143টা ছেটেলাইট লঞ্চ কৰিছিল। গতিকে আপোনালোকে মনত ৰাখিব এতিয়া এই ৰেকৰ্ডটো কাৰ হাতত আছে? SpaceX. নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 23. MS Word ইজ এন এক্সাম্পল অফ। MS Word কি হয়? এটা MS Word এটা এপ্লিকেশ্যন ছফ্টৱেৰ হয়। অপশ্যন বি ইজ দ্য কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰ। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 24. ডিউৰিং হুজ ৰেইন এট ৰংপুৰ চিটি এন এম্ফিথিয়েটাৰ ন'ন এজ ৰংঘৰ ফৰ এনিমেল ফাইট ৱাজ বিল্ড। মানে কুৱেশ্যনটো সুধিছে ৰংঘৰ কাৰ দিনত সজোৱা হৈছিল বা বনোৱা হৈছিল? এণ্ড দ্য কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰ ইজ অপশ্যন বি, প্ৰমত্ত সিংহ। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 25. হুইচ চিটি হেজ ইছ্যুড এ ৰেড এলাৰ্ট for air pollution for the first time ever on December 2015 with a heavy cloud of dangerous smoke blanketing the city? এটো হে সময়ৰ এটা কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছ হয়, আৰু ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰটো হ'ব অপশ্যন চি, বেইজিং। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 26. গুডছ এণ্ড ছাৰ্ভিচ টেক্স অৰ্থাৎ GST would replace which of the following tax lived at present? And the correct answer is option D, ভ্যালু এডেড টেক্স অৰ্থাৎ ভ্যাট। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 27. দ্য হাই অল্টিটিউড ৱাৰফেয়াৰ স্কুল অফ দ্য ইণ্ডিয়ান আৰ্মি ইজ লোকেটেড এট, এণ্ড দ্য কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰ ইজ অপশ্যন চি, গুলমাৰ্গ। কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 28. হুইচ এমং দ্য ফলোয়িং কাণ্ট্ৰিজ ইজ দ্য লাৰ্জেষ্ট গ্ৰুপ কণ্ট্ৰিবিউটৰ টু দ্য ইউনাইটেড নেশ্যনছ পিচ কিপিং মিছন? এণ্ড দ্য কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰ ইজ অপশ্যন বি, ইণ্ডিয়া। Next question number 29. Who said India is the bright spot on the cloudy global horizon? And the correct answer is option D, IMF chief Christine Lagarde. এতিয়া বৰ্তমান IMFৰ চিফ কোন হয় আপোনালোকে কমেণ্ট কৰি জনাব। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 30. দ্য সুপ্ৰিম কোৰ্ট ৱাজ ছেট আপ আণ্ডাৰ দ্য। সুপ্ৰিম কোৰ্টখন ভাৰতৰ কোনটো এক্টৰ অধীনত প্ৰতিষ্ঠা কৰা হৈছিল? দ্য কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰ ইজ অপশ্যন এ, ৰেগুলেটিং এক্ট 1773। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 31. আণ্ডাৰ হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোয়িং আৰ্টিকলছ এডিশ্যনেল এণ্ড এক্টিং জাজেছ কেন বি এপইণ্টেড ইন দ্য হাই কোৰ্টছ? কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 31ৰ কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰটো হ'ব অপশ্যন চি, আৰ্টিকল 224। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 32. দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট লোক আদালত ৱাজ হেল্ড ইন হুইচ ইয়াৰ? এণ্ড দ্য কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰ ইজ অপশ্যন চি, 1987. Next question number 33. Which among the following is the custodian of the Constitution of India? And the correct answer is option D, the Supreme Court of India. Supreme Court khonok Indian Constitution of custodian বুলিও কোৱা হয়। Next question number 34. Which one of the following jurisdictions of Indian judiciary covers public interest litigation? And the correct answer is option D, epistolary jurisdiction. Next question number 35. The power of the Supreme Court of India to decide disputes between the center and the states fall under its. The correct answer is option C, original jurisdiction. Next question number 36. The maximum permissible period between two sessions of a state legislative assembly is, the correct answer is option B, minimum 6 months. Question number 37. The governor of which state has been vested with special powers regarding the scheduled tribe area? And the correct answer is option A, Assam. Next, question number 38. The state of Jammu and Kashmir was accorded special status under, and the correct answer is option B, Article 370. এতিয়া 370 আৰ্টিকলটো ৰিমুভ কৰা হ'ল ইণ্ডিয়ান কনষ্টিটিউশ্যনৰ পৰা, গতিকে এইটো এতিয়া আৰ্টিকলটো নাই। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 39. আণ্ডাৰ হুইচ আৰ্টিকল দ্য সুপ্ৰিম কোৰ্ট হেজ দ্য পাৱাৰ টু ৰিভিউ ইটছ ওন জাজমেণ্ট অৰ অৰ্ডাৰ? এণ্ড দ্য কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰ ইজ option A, Article 137. Next, question number 40. Who has written 3,524 songs in 650 films over 33 years, and due to this he was eligible for a Guinness Book of World Records entry after extensive documentation and verification of each and every track? And the correct answer is option D, Somir. Next, question number 41. The painting on the walls and ceilings in the Ajanta caves depict mainly, and the correct answer is option C, incidents relating to the life of Gautam Buddha. Next, question number 42. Which one of the following Mughal buildings is said to possess the unique feature of being exactly equal in length and breadth? And the correct answer is option D, the Taj Mahal. Next, question number 43. When was the national anthem adopted by the government of India? And the correct answer is option C, 24th of January 1950. 24 জানুৱাৰী 1950 চনত ভাৰতীয় ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় সংগীতটো অফিচিয়েলি এডপ্ট কৰা হৈছিল। নেক্সট, কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 44. The Union government has decided to impose 0.5% on which services to fund the Swachh Bharat program? And the correct answer is option D, all taxable services. Next, question number 45. The Radcliffe Committee was appointed to, and the correct answer is option C, delimit the boundaries between India and Pakistan. আৰু আমি জানো যে ইণ্ডিয়া আৰু পাকিস্তানৰ বাউণ্ডাৰীটো কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? ৰেডক্লিফ লাইন বুলি কোৱা হয়। নেক্সট, কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 46. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of Jallianwala Bagh massacre? And the correct answer is option B, Lord Stamford. আৰু এই ইনচিডেণ্টটো কোন চনত হৈছিল? 1990 চনত। নেক্সট, কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 47. Against whom the following was the Lahore conspiracy case registered during the Indian freedom struggle? And the correct answer is option D, Vishnu Ganesh Pingle. Next, question number 48. A woman revolutionary who, while receiving her degree at the convocation at the University of Calcutta from the governor of Bengal, showed him was, and the correct answer is option B, Beena Das. Next, question number 49. The viceroy upon whom a bomb was thrown but he did not change his attitude towards the Indian was, and the correct answer is option A, Lord Harding. Next, question number 50. In 1930, Mahatma Gandhi started civil disobedience movement from 1930 চনত মহাত্মা গান্ধীয়ে আইন অমান্য আন্দোলন ক'ৰ পৰা ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছিল? And the correct answer is option D, Sabarmati Ashram. Next, question number 51. Who among the following founded the Ahmedabad Textile Labor Association? And the correct answer is option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Next, question number 52. Which one of the following aroused a wave of popular indignation that led to the massacre by British at Jallianwala Bagh? And the correct answer is option D, the Rowlatt Act. আৰু এই এক্টখন 1990 চনত ব্ৰিটিছ চৰকাৰে আনিছিলে। Next, question number 53. The Central Institute of Buddhist Studies is located in which city? And the correct answer is Option D, Leh. Question number 54. Who is known as the most qualified person in India according to the Limca Book of Records? And the correct answer is option C, Shrikant Jiskar. Next question number 55. Every pearl in the royal crown is but the crystallized drop of blood fallen from the tearful eyes of the poor peasants. Who made this statement? A. উক্তিটো কোনে দাঙি ধৰিছিল? And the correct answer is option C, Amir Khusro. Next question number 56. Which one of the following pairs in the third generation mobile telecommunication? And the correct answer is option A, WiMAX and UMTS. Next question number 57. Which one of the following is an air-to-air missile? It is a very important question. And the correct answer is option A, Ostro. Next question number 58. Where do you find the clock and calendar in your computer? Eto ekhin pa computer question arambho hoise. And the correct answer is option A, taskbar. Next question number 59. Which of the following groups has only the output devices? Tholok kun gita computer output device hoy. And the correct answer is option D, plotter, printer and monitor. Next question number 60. Who was the president of the Swaraj Party in Assam during freedom movement? Swaraj Party Ohomor president kun asil? And the correct answer is option D, Torunram Phukon. Next question number 61. Who among the following was the leader of the 1857 revolt in Assam? 1857 চনত হোৱা বিদ্ৰোহৰ অসমৰ নেতা কোন আছিল? And the correct answer is option D, Moniram Dewan. Next question number 62. Which of the following tribes practices nomadic herding for subsistence? And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question number 63. Which of the following devices is used to record humidity? আর্দ্রতা জুখিবলৈ কোনটো যন্ত্র ব্যবহার করা হয়? And the correct answer is option A, hygrometer. Next question number 64. What does the term Dolby B and Dolby C printed on the tape recorders and other sound system refer to? And the correct answer is option C, noise reduction circuit. Next question number 65. A packet of information that travels between a browser and the web server is known as? The correct answer is option D, cookie. Next question number 66. The WTO basically promotes? And the correct answer is option D, multilateral trades. Next question number 67. Which of the following is the National Intelligence Agency of Israel? And the correct answer is option C, Mossad. Next question number 68. The sum total of income received for the services of labor, land or capital in a country is called? And the correct answer is option B, national income. Next question number 69. The speaker can ask a member of the house to stop speaking and let other members speak. This is known as? And the correct answer is option D, yielding the floor. Next question number 70. The state which has the largest number of seats reserved for the scheduled tribes in the Lok Sabha is? And the correct answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. Next question number 71. If any question arises whether a bill is a money bill or not, whose decision shall be the final? And the correct answer is option C, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, right? Lok Sabha Adhyakya. Next question number 72. Which of the following can input images, pictures, etc. to a computer? And the correct answer is option D, scanner. Next question number 73. Which of the following is not a official language of the United Nations? And the correct answer is option C, Portuguese. Baki tintai United Nations official language hoy, Portuguese to official language na hoy. Next question number 74. The permanent headquarters of SAARC Secretariat is located at? SAARC or permanent headquarters code? And the correct answer is option A, Nepal or Kathmandu. Next question number 75. Where was the first non-aligned movement summit held? And the correct answer is option B, Cairo. Next question number 76. The World Trade Organization formally approved which country's membership in December 2015? Etu eta hemoy current affairs hoy. And the correct answer is option D, Afghanistan. Next question number 77. Which one of the following is a warm current? And the correct answer is option B, Kuroshio current. Next question number 78. The tropical cyclone of Philippines is termed as, and the correct answer is option D, Baguio. Next question number 79. Which one of the following commercially important groups of trees belongs to the cool temperature hardwood species? And the correct answer is option C, oak, poplar and maple. Next question number 80. Biodiversity forms the basis for human existence in which of the following ways? And the correct answer is option D, pollination of crops. Next question number 81. Which of the following covers the highest percentage of forest area in the world? And the correct answer is option A, temperature coniferous forest. Next question number 82. Which one of the following basins experience the conventional rainfall? And the correct answer is option A, Amazon. Question number 83. How many kilometers are represented by 1 degree of latitude? And the correct answer is option C, 211 kilometers. Next question number 84. Which one of the following was the first fort constructed by the British in India? And the correct answer is option B, Fort St. George. Next question number 85. Which of the following Europeans were the last to pre-independent India as traders? And the correct answer is option C, France. Next question number 86. ये क्वेश्चन किटा रिजनिंग है आपलोक मैं एन्सार किटा কৈ দিছো क्वेश्चन नंबर 86 ৰ एन्सार হ'ব ऑप्शन सी आपलोके ভালকে কৰি যাব খালি 87 ৰ হ'ব ऑप्शन बी ग्रैंड डॉटर ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन नंबर 88 ৰ करेक्ट आंसर টো হ'ব ऑप्शन ए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 89 the decided middle class in India and the correct answer is option D remain neutral to the revolt of 1857. Next question number 90. Which one of the following was the first English newspaper in India in the year 1780? And the correct answer is option B the Bengal Gazette. আৰু এটা কোৱেশ্চন আপোনালোকলৈ থৈছো ভাৰতৰ প্ৰথমখন হিন্দী নিউজপেপাৰ নাম কি আপোনালোকে কমেন্ট কৰি জনাব হিন্দী নিউজপেপাৰ Next question number 91. Who succeeded Robert Clive to lead the East India Company? And the correct answer is option C, Lord Hastings. Next question number 92. Job Charnock founded Calcutta at the site of, and the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question number 93. The seasonal reversal of winds is the typical characteristic of, and the correct answer is option C, monsoon climate. Next question number 94. For which of the following items Tirupur is well known as a huge exporter to many parts of the world? And the correct answer is option D, United Germans. Next question number 95. Eightfold path of Buddha is known as the middle path because it, and the correct answer is option C, avoids self-indulgence as well as self-immolation. Next question number 96. Which party was founded by Subhash Chandra Bose in the year 1939 after he broke away from National Congress? And the correct answer is option D, Forward Bloc. Next question number 97. The doctrines of non-violence and civil disobedience associated with Mahatma Gandhi were influenced by, and the correct answer is option B, Ruskin, Tolstoy and Thoreau. Next question number 98. Chief Minister of all the states are the ex officio chairman of the, and the correct answer is option D, National Development Council, অর্থাৎ NDC. Next question number 99. Area wise, which one of the following is the largest Lok Sabha constituency? And the correct answer is option D, Ladakh. Then the last question is, which one of the following committees of the Parliament of India has no member of Rajya Sabha? And the correct answer is option B, the Estimates Committee. আজিলৈ ভিডিওটো ইমানতে সমাপ্ত হ'ল। আশা কৰোঁ আপোনালোকে সকলোৱে ভাল পালে। ধন্যবাদ।